Hello everyone, welcome to Anastasia's Heaven Now. This is where you will learn to become larger than life and create your very own heaven now. So I want to let you guys all know I'm really excited about this new 5-part mini-series that I'm doing. I'm devoting it to all the new manifestors out there that want to know, where do I begin? And what is manifesting? So this new 5-part mini series that I'm doing is going to be dedicated to all the rookie manifestors out there, or the people that are just simply curious. So before I dive into what kinds of things you need to do as a new manifestor, I want to explain or give my definition of what I believe manifesting means. So manifesting is when we deliberately become self-aware of what we desire or what we want in life, and we do various simple methods to bring about our creations. Okay, so it is a deliberate action. Now, I'm not saying that you don't manifest throughout your life. You're always manifesting constantly, whether it's negative thoughts or positive thoughts. They're always manifesting in your life, okay? But when you are coming to my channel, that means you want to become more self-aware and take back control of your life and create a happier, more blissful, harmonious life for yourself. It's full of rewards, but you want to create it the way you want it and not other people. So if you're not self-aware and deliberately creating your life, other people are, okay? Because we by default come under other people's thoughts and words and desires. Because if you're not self-aware, that's just what happens. So anyways, I want to dive into this because I'm really excited to give you guys some helpful tips and steps to take in your new manifesting journey. So the first thing that I would suggest you do is write down what you want your ideal life to look like, okay? And that could be anything. You know, get a journal, write it down, what you want your life to look like, okay? It could be a summary, it could be a couple sentences. That's up to you. That's a personal thing, okay? And then you're going to want to ask yourself, what do you want? What do you desire? Okay, and what I mean by that is ask yourself that question, do I want a new career? Do I want to be very wealthy? Do I want a new car? Do I want a soulmate? Do I want a slim, trim, healthy body? Okay, it could be anything, whatever you desire. Okay? This is all about you. So script it, okay? Get in that journal, get in that quiet place, and write down exactly what you want, okay? First, get quiet. Quiet your subconscious, okay? Settle that down. Get to a place where you can take down all the barriers and everything in your mind. Sit still in silence so you know what thoughts and feelings and desires are actually yours and not somebody else, okay? And that is, I haven't got into the area of transmission. That's another video. So, but anyways, so you're going to script down all of that. Now, you're also going to want to get as detailed as possible. So what I mean by that is, say for instance, you want a soulmate. Okay, that's a huge desire of yours. You want a soulmate. So get detailed about that soulmate. If you want that soulmate to have blue eyes, script it. If you want that soulmate to have long legs, script it. If you want them to have facial hair or long hair or whatever. But you also want to script all the qualities that you want that soulmate to possess. Okay, like loyalty, honesty, they're compassionate, kind, loving, honorable, all those things. Whatever, attributes, physical or spiritual attributes you want that person to possess. That's just an example. Okay, so if it's a car, okay, this is where when I was manifesting my dream car, I wasn't very detailed about it. All I know is I wanted a blue Toyota 4Runner, okay? I should have back then got really detailed about exactly what I wanted, but I ended up getting a lot more accessories and awesome things with that 4Runner than I even imagined. So even if you don't get detailed, you'll probably end up getting a lot more than you asked for. Sometimes good and sometimes not good, okay? So it is imperative that you get very specific about what you want, okay? And that old saying, be careful what you ask for. So that's why it's imperative and essential that you get very detailed about what you're scripting, okay? About your desires and that sort of thing. So now that you've gotten the scripting down of your desires, okay, you have that all written down now. This leads me into what my next video is going to be. You're going to be ready for step 2 after you have done what I just suggested you do. You're going to be ready for the step 2. And that's going to be my next video. Okay, it's going to be all about scripting very powerful affirmations for yourself. Okay, and this is where things get real juicy and good. Like I said, I'm really excited about this series because when I was new to manifesting, deliberately manifesting, I should clarify that. I was looking for videos on YouTube that catered to baby manifestors or rookie manifestors, okay? And I found a couple really good channels. Like Sammy Ingram was awesome, and Manifest with Kimberly. There's a couple really good ones out there that, gave me some extra tools. But we're always manifesting, so be careful. In the meantime, make sure that you keep your thoughts positive. We're going to annihilate and slay all negative thoughts and words, okay? So I really appreciate you all being here with me, and hopefully you're enjoying my content and taking away something useful for your life. Because like I had mentioned before, I created this channel to help as many people as I can create a much better and more harmonious life for yourself, as I have done for myself. So stay tuned. Like, share, comment down below. I don't want you to miss any of my new content because things are starting to get juicy. So you all have a wonderful day.